First of all, guys, congratulations for the season 3.
Thank you.
Thank
Neha,
you.
season 3, so it's a win-win for Niharika or Neha?
both because I feel अगर season 1 और season 2 चलता है तभी season 3 बनता है and that's a win for Niharika. For me I feel like this is a beautiful role तो मुझे करने को मिल रहा है which in itself is a big opportunity for me, so I'm forever more grateful.
And then आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? You are part of the season 3. 2 has been success now, part of the successful series. How you look after? And to be very honest, I didn't recognize you for a instance in the promo. The look was really intense and really fantastic.
Bro, सच कहूँ तो I showed my parents the trailer
Oh, you did?
2 days ago, and they watched the whole trailer and they're like, Neeli, are you in this? And I said, yeah,
this
Mama.
really happened
it's-
to me
this-
also. कि Neil is there, man. Then I watched twice. मैंने 2
Oh,
बार
yeah?
देखा. Then I recognized, okay, this is Neil. This
I
is
said,
fantastic.
Mama, just watch it again. Then I had to stop and I said, that is me. So,
Yeah.
so yeah, I mean,
The look is
if your
great.
own parents can't recognize you, then it's a compliment because it's the look and the character and
Yeah.
everything that has come together to make one whole new avatar. So I feel for me it would definitely be a promotion in my career to showcase myself on this munch.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
You know?
character.
But what was the basic brief for you? Like already 2 season हो चुके थे, आप एक नए season में आप entry कर रहे थे. So what was the brief from the director?
For me, it was, they said there are a few new cases which the lawyer firm is going to have to like focus on. And there is one, there is a business tycoon, sort of bad boy player. The wife had been cast, Ira Dubey, who's a friend of mine. And I was like, wow, that's really good. And I read a few scenes and I thought, कि ये कमाल का character है. Let's see if we can do justice to this.
Well, I had word with Piyush ji and Akshay and Satyadeep. He said कि on an instant Neha was like थोड़ा सा nervous and all, but धीरे धीरे you cope up with the character and on a big monologue you were used to cry. So was it true or?
No.
Used to cry because of the monologue. Yeah.
I must be crying because of them, but not because of the monologue. नहीं है नहीं मजाक कर रहे होंगे शायद वो लोग पीयूष जी तो यार ही इज़ अ लेजेंड उनके साथ काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया आई फील लाइक आई एम so honored to work with him in 3 seasons, and I think every season our chemistry is getting better. There's so much. I mean, it's a whole new different game between us through the seasons. Obviously, when the script was written, it was somewhere, and today it's somewhere else. तो बहुत मज़ा आया उनके साथ. Monologues definitely बहुत tough थे. अभी थोड़ा exaggerate हो गया रोना, but of course there are like sometimes 2 pages of it. And unlike other places, I've heard they have like a teleprompter or people prompting and all. हमारे set पे नहीं था. Sahir Raza is my director is very strict when it comes to lines, and he's like, you guys have to come prepared. And I think पीयूष जी को तो पूरी script याद होगी. मुझे monologues में सिर्फ ये था कि legal language is not so easy, and it has to be correct. So yes, I was always stressed out before those scenes because I was like, I have to get it right. So yeah, 90% of the show was me stressing out, but crying a tad bit too much.
The intense look was stress.
yeah.
Well, Neil, see, the cast is really fantastic.
Yes.
Piyush ji hai, and then Satyadeep and Akshay and Neha also, and the others also. So being an actor, does it more challenge you to give your best on such things? Like,
Yes, I mean, more than challenge you, it makes you a little aware. I realize per day, per sort of working day, especially at the beginning, कि यार कुछ मतलब I just need to like come up to their game level straight away. It's like if you're playing tennis with a seasoned person who's going on playing, practicing, then their match and their game is really good. So you can't be dheela about it. But most of my anxiety was removed because of our readings together in the office. Samar Khan, our producer, and Sonam Man, who is part of the creative, we all sat together with the rest of the team. We just read scenes, some scenes we read again, got a flow, got the flavor of it. And then, because that was well in advance, or uske shayad 2-3 हफ्ते बाद we started shooting. It got some time to marinate.
And do you feel that OTT brings and what we can say an actor in you? Do you believe that कि एक OTT के ज़रिए हमको एक एक्टर को ज़्यादा दिखाने का मौका मिलता है उनके टैलेंट?
एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है जो शायद मुझे लगता है कि कमर्शियल सिनेमा में ना मिले, बिकॉज बहुत सारा मैथ इन्वॉल्व होता है उसमें, जो मैं पहले भी कह रही थी कि यार प्रोड्यूसर एक फ़िल्म तभी बनाता है जब वो सक्सेसफुल हो. आई मीन सब सक्सेसफुल फिल्म ही बनाने के लिए आते हैं. तो आई थिंक मंत्रा तो किसी को नहीं पता, बट एवरीबडी इज़ ट्राइंग. सो टू मेक इट वर्क आई थिंक दे वांट टू टेक पीपल हु will guarantee a certain amount of pull and box office numbers. So I feel an opportunity there is way lesser for relatively not such big actors. So I feel OTT gives them a chance, क्योंकि OTT में मुझे लगता है कि वो बॉक्स ऑफिस का जो स्ट्रेस है वो थोड़ा कम है प्रोड्यूसर्स के ऊपर. ऑफ कोर्स नंबर्स तो इन्हें भी चाहिए, बट आई फील लाइक इट्स अ लिटिल लेसर, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट लाइक यार फ्राइडे को कितना नंबर हो रहा है, वो वाला हिसाब नहीं है. तो शायद मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे मौका मिलता है. देन अगेन इट्स अ लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट, तो यू नो आप कोई भी कैरेक्टर को यू कैन गो रियली डीप इनटू इट एंड द पोटेंशियल देयर इज इमेंस. आई फील बिकॉज एक 2 घंटे की फिल्म में आप everything cannot be that detailed. Yes.
Yeah. What do you think about it?
I feel, to give you an example, Mr. Manoj Bajpayee can start his own channel called MB247. He can take all the content that he's done in films and OTT and actually run a 24/7 channel.
Yeah, actually.
That's the advantage of OTT right now.
Yeah, super.
That's a joke.
Oh, I'm like, what channel is this? I'm totally
No,
unaware.
No, yeah, just well, one of the key highlight of whether we can say films or OTT is the writing or the writer. But कहीं ना कहीं राइटर को एक ड्यू नहीं मिलता है उसकी राइटिंग को, या what do you want to say about this?
I think बहुत गलत बात है honestly, because I feel like a show or a film is all made, सबसे ज़्यादा credit writer को ही मिलना चाहिए, because they are the ones who create it. And I feel they are the one who make it what it is, and then of course we bring in the cast and we bring in the people to take it to another level. But core, I feel the writing is the most important thing. So I feel it is important, like we know who's written a particular show or a film and due credit to them.
Unfortunately, ये बात तो सही है. The writers, I don't know why, from the
Yeah.
beginning of time and all across the world have just had it a bigger struggle than actors have it. मतलब हर department में struggle है, but the writers have, it's such a weird struggle. And yes, you're right about the spotlight not being there, but they are the true hero makers and the true content creators, because it's because of they're the ones who plant the seed, and we are benefiting from the fruit of it, you know.
Yeah. Lastly, any sort of illegal things you have done during the shoot or anything in the life?
मुझे अब पता
Illegal
चल गया कि
Yeah.
नील ने क्या क्या सिग्नल तोड़ा है आज यहाँ इस इंटरव्यू पे आने
हाँ
से
जी,
पहले.
और बिना प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के ड्रग्स लेता हूँ मैं.
चालान कटे.
चालान तो कट गया होगा, I'm assuming.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm a very boring person. I like to live by the rules. मुझे खुशी मिलती है. I don't know how, but I enjoy that. I like to live by the rules. I'm not like so crazy like Neil.
What about you, sir? What have you done illegal?
I do just of drink and drive.
Very good.
All right. Thank you so much, and
Thank
do
you.
watch Illegal Season 3 only on GS Cinema. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.